All right, in this lesson, we will take some time and study sorting. Before we get into things, I'd like to take a moment and recommend that you pause the video just to familiarize yourself with the list, since it'll make the concepts that we cover a lot easier to digest. That said, let's get right into it. So what exactly is sorting? Sorting is when you want to rearrange your list either alphabetically, numerically, or in a particular way in which you want to see it. Basically, you're just reorganizing it. So as we just mentioned, we'll assume you took a few moments to study the list, and here we have our order IDs, product categories, subcategories, regions, countries, sources, etc. And let's say we want to do some sorting. So at the risk of dragging things out a little bit, whenever you work with a list, it's a really good idea to take your column headings and make them bold. And you're doing that for two reasons. First, it allows you to distinguish your column headings from the body of your list. It simply makes it easier to read. Second, and most important, behind the scenes, you're creating what's called a field. And when you sort, fields will not be included. Put another way, when we take these column headings and make them bold, Excel will not include them in the sort, which, if you think about it, is something we don't want. Bottom line, if all this sounds too technical, here's all you have to do. Whenever you work with a list, take your column headings and make them bold. The vast majority of any headaches has just gone out the window. Okay, now that we have all that nonsense out of the way, let's talk about how to do sorting. And yes, granted, there is a whole myriad of ways to do sorting in Excel. What we're going to do here is just touch on the most common ways of doing it. We'll go through a progression of things. We'll start off doing very simple, basic sorts, and then move into doing sorts on multiple levels. Let's start with the quick sort. So what exactly is the quick sort? Well, it's just that. The whole idea is you click inside the column you want to sort by, do a quick sort, and voila, instant sort. Let's say, for example, we want to sort by our country. So the most important thing when it comes to sorting is to click inside the column that you want to sort by. So click in the country column, and then we'll go up here and click on the data tab. Look for where it says quick sort, which is the A to Z icon with a down pointing arrow. Click that, and voila, instant sort. Alternatively, you can also quick sort by hovering inside the column that you want to sort by. Let's give that a test drive by going over here to our subcategory. Then do a right click, go down to where it says sort, and choose sort A to Z, and sort's done. And that'll do it for the quick sort. Moving on, let's say we want to sort our list by multiple levels. For example, maybe we want to sort our list by category, then by subcategory. To do multiple level sorting, we want to go up and click on our data tab and then look for the sort icon, which is this one right here. And now here is where making those column headings bold works to our advantage, because all we have to do is just choose the column or field name that we want to use. So we'll choose the product category here, click add level, then choose the product subcategory, click OK, and voila, our list has been sorted by 2 levels. Just for kicks and grins, let's do another example and throw in a finer point along the way. Let's say we want to sort our list by region and then by country. So if we wanted, we could do a right click, choose sort, custom sort. We get the exact same dialog box we just saw a moment ago. And now here comes the finer point. If we did not make those column headings bold, where it says sort by, it would read column A, column B, column C, column D. The reason it says that is because Excel could not distinguish the column headings versus the body of the list. Sure, we could click the checkbox where it says my data has header rows, but arguably it's an extra step, so why bother? So getting back on track, we'll choose region, add level, then country, click OK, and there we go. So let's wrap this up by doing a quick review. If we click data, sort, from here it's just a matter of choosing our sort order by what we select from the drop-down arrows. And we will see you in the next lesson.